my
So,
goodness.
y'all look at this watermelon. It was 15 pounds, and we grew it. Okay, the city girl that grew a daggone watermelon. And look at the bottom of it. Oh, that's a sign of ripeness, but we gonna see. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut it because my husband traced out this little triangle for me. So I'm gonna cut it and we gonna see what it look like on the inside. I can't wait. Oh, y'all ain't gonna believe this. Look at what color this watermelon is. I sure thought it was a red watermelon. We didn't grow up. See, ain't that good?
A whole yellow.
Oh my God.
A whole yellow watermelon.
A whole yellow watermelon. We gotta do it. We got to do this. Oh, I know I cut this the wrong way, but y'all see this? Look a here, look a here, look a here. Oh my goodness. Come on. There you go. And see, I got my watermelon knife with the little red with the seeds on it. Look at that. Look, okay. Come on, let me give me a little taste of it. Because we got to taste it, because we don't know if it's good until we taste it. Shut the front daggone door. Baby! Good God! Woo! It don't need no salt. You see this color? Just gorgeous. I'm gonna have to figure out which seeds I use because I don't remember which seeds I use, but I know one thing, this thing is good. It's juicy. That fresh taste. Yes, Lord. I'm gonna eat this all by myself. Ain't no need in sharing it. And at this point in time, I don't know if they're yellow, red, or orange. But if the rest of them come out sweet like this,
Yeah, all orange.
oh, girl is gonna be good. Cause I'm gonna save all these seeds. I'm gonna grow me some more watermelons. And my husband thought he was gonna make some watermelon jelly. Cause we had some red watermelons. I don't know if you can mix red and orange. What would red and orange make? I don't know. Orange? That's okay. We're gonna figure it out. But anyway, thanks for stopping by. I'm gonna go ahead and keep on eating this watermelon because I'm good and greedy. If you like the video, go ahead on and hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. And you can see what we do over here, out here in the country. Peace.